Good morning, friend. I'm Fahim here from Mfbc. Today I'm going to show you some really good tips, but it's a little hard also. It's okay because I'm saying that here we will use one more function with Microsoft Excel. We are calling VBA, Visual Basic Application. We will use some programming also here. Actually, I'm planning today how we can show below of invoice amount in words. Example, if there is 10,000, we need to write by hand in the down 10,000, so it will not change automatically. But here I'm showing if the amount automatic based on equation will change, the same time amount in words also will change automatically in down. So for this one we need to use in Excel one equation, some queries in Visual Basic. I will show you how we can mingle with Visual Basic here. Very simple, but the query you should copy it from your data. If you need the query, you can comment below on my email, below on my videos, so I will reply you for your comments. Okay, so the codes with me, query with me already. So I'm going to start how to make the amount in words in Excel. Okay, so for that we need the ribbons here: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view. Then there is one more, you can see label developer. This one may be not in your system. If you don't have in your system up here, this one you need to active there. There is one option in Excel. You can go first in files. Okay, then there is options, then you can see customize ribbon. Okay, then you can see here one tab developer. Maybe it's in unmarked in your system, so you can click that one and add in also, then click OK. Then this ribbon will be appear on here. Once appear on here in developer, you need to go Visual Basic. I told you in beginning we need to use one programming also with Microsoft Excel, so that in the developer ribbon you can go, there is one Visual Basic. First one you can see it here, Visual Basic. Click on that Visual Basic, then you can see here sheet number, names. Okay, what we mentioned, the names on the sheets. So we don't want to enter on sheets anything, because we need this equation in all sheets of this workbook. So for that we need to import one more option here below of the file. You can go this insert user form. Okay, go there, then click this arrow. You can see it here, user form, modules, class modules. Go to modules, see module appear here. Then we need to just paste our query to in this area, then it will work out. I will show you. I have copied the queries already for English and Arabic also as well, so I will show you first English how we can do it. Just copy, this equation, go to here, then paste. Okay, then go down, sorry we didn't select all content, so just click Ctrl A, so all functions will be copied. See, all content I copied here now. Okay, then I am inserting one more module, that's for in Arabic. How can come in words below of invoice Arabic. So I have that query also here in Notepad. I mentioned click Ctrl A for select all area, then press Ctrl C, copy of all the datas, and come module 2 and focus on cursor here, then Ctrl V, paste of your copied data. Okay, so here you cannot copy it here because your system not in Arabic language, that's why you cannot copy the file. So first we need to change our language here in English to Arabic. Okay, then go here, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, see now it's changed. Then you can change it your language here to English. So this equation already there, I will show you how we can use it. The equation name will be for Arabic spell number Arabic. See here I mentioned function spell number Arabic. For English I mentioned here spell number English. So I will show you how you can take it the value here. For that we need to focus on next cell amount in words in English. Go here and click equal to and write spell, see spell Arabic and spell English, which we mentioned on VBA. So I am clicking here spell number English and selecting the amount, close the bracket, because here see 30,000 dirhams and 0 fields because I am in UAE, that's why currency I mentioned dirham and fields. Okay, so if it's in here in different value, example see ranging work, it will be $14, right? 14,000, right? 40,000 it will be here 40,000 dirhams and 0 fields automatic. Then we have to see how Arabic also work out here. Is equal to spell in Arabic because this content I forget to change, it should be same of spell number Arabic. Spell number Arabic. This equation name might change and I forget the query also same name. I hope it's already okay. See, urban elf. It's changed. Raccoon elf. Very simple. I hope all of you understand. If you need these queries, you can kindly comment below my videos, so I can provide you the queries which is used on Visual Basic application. Okay, if you need more guidance or if you need same Excel workbook, also you can comment in down of the videos. So I hope all of you understand what I explained. Kindly subscribe also my channel for more good videos. It will help and it will make easy for your jobs in future. Hopefully we'll see you on next chapter. Okay, bye dear. Thanks.